everybody. Nag-vlog. Hello po. Good morning po sa lahat. It's Saturday morning. It's the weekend. No fishing today. But we're on our way to... We're going back to Lowe's to pick up something para dun sa project namin na yung mailbox namin ayusin namin. 9:48 na po ng umaga. We've had breakfast, yung leftover namin na steak last night. I had a shower as well. Nag-shower ako. And ang ganda ng weather. Currently, we are at 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Mainit, pero medyo ano pa yung hangin. Malamig. Hindi naman malamig. Yeah. 65 nga dito sa 9:49. Ito po yung weather natin sa Pensacola. Tournament right now sa golf. May nag-golf. Ito po ang aming neighborhood. Palabas na kami ng subdivision namin. Bahay. Tsaka malalaki yung mga lawn nila dito. Yun lang ang kinaganda. Hello, hello! Ang gulo ng hair ko. Bahay na kami. So, yes, I got the chicken. Bahay na kami, everybody. And we grabbed some chicken. Ayan, nakakita din ako ng Hershey's na 100% cocoa natural unsweetened para makapag-champurado tayo. Champurado. And we got some, I have some Swiss Miss marshmallow, of course. And buns for my pulled pork sandwich. Yan. Lunch, guys. This is my pulled pork. And then here's my sandwich.
Am I in the county or the city?
You're sheriff, so you have a green garbage can.
There's but yeah, when we go up here to this local Walmart, I'm like this morning we heard that this guy was coming out of it, and this guy.
Kain tayo, guys. Ayan, naubos ko na. Naubos ko yung isang bun. Ayan po ang ating barbecue. Pulled pork barbecue na Jack Daniels. Seasoned and fully cooked. Pero ano, medyo natatamisan ako sa kanya. Yum. Lunch na, nakatulog ako. It's already 2:28. He's already working outside. Ha? Okay. Akala ko iihi lang siya. Hindi na siya bumalik sa couch kasi nanonood kami ng movie. Yun pala, nasa labas na siya. Hinintay ko siya sa couch. Ayun. Sabi ko, nasa na siya? Sigaw ako ng sigaw dito sa loob. Sabi ko, babe, where are you, babe? Ayun. Wala pala talaga siya. Kasi nasa labas. Hindi man lang nagpaalam. We're gonna get dirty outside. Gawin namin yung ano, isemento namin yung para sa ano ng mailbox. Ayan. There's some used clothes here. Okay, guys. Ano pa ko ng used clothes? Okay, take ko kayo later. Naglalaba din pala siya. Ayan. Don't know if you can hear it, but the golf course right there. They have a tournament and they're announcing something. So, eto na po. Ito yung mailbox na hindi pa yun. Nandun yung mailbox. Pero ito yung stand ng mailbox. Papalitan namin itong old namin. Ayan. Ito yung address. Takpan ko lang yung address. Ayan. Yun na po. We dug a hole yesterday. So, ayun ito. Pumili kami ng cement, concrete. Ayan. Work tayo, guys. Ayan na yung body niya, guys. Dito na ilalagay yung mailbox na ganito. So, ibang color. Same color ng house. Mid-century daw. Ayan. Actually, ang bilis niyang tumigas. Ayan, na-level na namin ito. Ito na yung perfect level. Tsaka, ayan. Ang bilis niyang tumigas, actually. Kaya, ayun. Nilinis na ni asawa. Tapos yung mailbox nandun. Kasing kulay din ng bahay namin. So, tapos na kaming mag-ikot-ikot. Nagtapak ng mga cracks. Naghanap kami ng cracks sa buong bahay. Ngayon, magwawash na naman kami ng car. Wash kami ng car, guys. It's time to put up our rods, our fishing rod, kasi mangingisda kami bukas. Tomorrow morning, we'll go fishing. So, we're gonna put the rods in. Ooh, I wish we get pompano tomorrow. Yeah, I'd grill it. Then make a soy sauce. The soy sauce would be like, or the dipping sauce would be like a soy sauce. And look at the cabin.
No, man, that is fine. I've never seen him up there. He's trying to catch that bird going in the.
Oh.
There's a bird nest up there that he's trying to get.
Then yeah, soy sauce, lemon, and then. So it's already 7:39 na po ng gabi. We finally finished doing stuff outside. Actually, hindi pa kami tapos sa mailbox. We'll let it dry and then ipatong na namin yung mailbox baka tomorrow. But right now, so far, we did some stuff around the house. I can't even explain, I'm tired. Anyways, yes. So, ayun, natapos kami sa mga ginagawa namin sa bahay. Doon sa likod, sa labas pala. It's already 7:39. I'm hungry. I'm cooking rice right now. Is that your dinner right there?
Yep.
Mani lang yung kinakain niya. Kumakain ng mani. Ako, I'm waiting for my rice. And then, baka kain ako nung lechon manok kanina. Yeah. Ayun, nilabas na niya. He'll have a couple bite daw. So, ayun. Okay naman yung I find it too sweet. The Jack Daniel pulled pork. It's a little too sweet for me. I want the barbecue-y tastes. But not bad. So, ayun. Dinner lang ako, guys. Hindi pa rin pag matapos na pala ito. Hindi pa. Kumukulo pa yung kanin ko. And then, lechon manok. So, ayan. Update ko kayo later. Madilim na sa labas. Ayan, nasa labas. Medyo madilim na. Nunod kami ng James Bond movie. Tapos na po akong mag-dinner. It's already 8:09. Nag-ice cream ako. So, I think that's it for today. Iko-close ko na ang vlog natin. Hanggang sa muli. It's time to close the vlog. Maraming salamat po sa panunood ninyo hanggang dito. Really appreciate all of you sa mga nakasubscribe na maraming salamat po. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, please like, and please share my videos. And you can please watch the other videos as well that I have already uploaded. And you may also leave a comment if you want. Maraming salamat po. Hello po sa family ko pala dyan sa CDO na always number 1 fan ko talaga. Ayun na si asawa. Tina-turn off na yung mga ilaw tsaka yung TV. So matutulog na kami. Maaga na naman kami bukas. We're going to go fishing tomorrow. So that's it for today again. Thank you very much, everybody. And I hope to see you on my next vlog. Good night po. I hope everyone had a great weekend. See ya!